Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
How you doing, man?
Doing alright.
Woo!
Oh, yeah, it's changed since the last time I seen
Okay.
it. I had the platinums in it last time. I got the teams now.
Could you give me a rundown real quick?
Brazilian Sounds Team 18s on a Terramp 12K, 310s in each door on a Terramp 3K, and I believe it's a 300 amp volt billet.
Really? Okay.
And 105, 106 amp hour inline.
Yep. Alright. Have you metered it yet?
Burp to 156.
Wow.
Clamping 6,000 watts.
That's pretty good. Okay. What did you peak at?
With the old subs, it was 40 and it went down to 38.
38. Okay. Oh my God, is the amp back open?
Yeah, it's open.
All right. Appreciate the demo, man. Sounds good. Wow. Woo. Has this had one of them?
Yeah, it's a wired at one rising at 3.8.
3.8? Okay. We got a lot of rise.
Yeah. That's why I'm going to play with like 6 minutes.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you, man.
No problem.
Nice to meet you again.
Selling back at bank account got silver O's. My bridges be true. Not a pistol. selling back at home. Bank account got silver O's. My bridges be true. Smoke a lot of steak. Legs looking like a skunk. The bills on my pocket front. Waves all in my chest. My money be on the prize. Hands on with the knife. I drop out and sell it back at home. Bank account got silver O's. My bridges.
Brutal. Woo. I appreciate the demo, man. What was your name? Tyler. Jacob.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.